Which unit is used to measure the concentration of contaminant in soil and sediments? ppm. Which state has ADB claimed to provide a $500 million loan to enhance healthcare service? Maharashtra. Which country's cricket board president Nazmul Hassan Papon has resigned? Bangladesh. Who topped in India with the most EV charging station? Karnataka. Where has the operation of India's second 700 MW यानी megawatt indigenous nuclear reactor started? Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the interim chairman of the Indian Aircraft Accident Authority? M. Suresh. Who has taken charge as the new secretary of DPIIT? Amandeep Singh Bhatia. यूट्रोफिकेशन कैन बी डिफाइंड एज, देखो यूट्रोफिकेशन जो होता है वो लेक्स में होता है, पहली चीज़ ये, और यहाँ पे न्यूट्रिएंट्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं। तो देखो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, पहला है ग्रेजुअल डिक्रीज़, मैंने कहा बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ जाते हैं, तो ये डिक्रीज़ लिखा हुआ है तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता। फिर ग्रेजुअल इंक्रीज़ कहाँ पे हो रहा है, डिज़र्ट एरिया में हो रहा है, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता क्योंकि मैंने अभी बताया लेक एरिया में होता है। द ग्रेजुअल इंक्रीज़ पहला पॉइंट मिल गया, धीरे धीरे बढ़ता जाता है बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में, और कहाँ पे हो रहा है, एज अ लेक, तो लेक में हो रहा है, तो आपका सी ऑप्शन सही हो जाएगा। गार्लिक इज गुड सोर्स ऑफ मैग्नीज एंड सेलेनियम। द स्वर्ण सिंह कमेटी हैड formulated dash point code of fundamental duties. 8. Krishna III of Rashtrakuta dynasty established a victory pillar and a temple at which of the following cities South India after defeating the Chol ruler Parantaka? 1. Rameshwaram. Which of the following is not one of the 4 primary explicit goals of 5-year plan? Education. In which year for the first time was a resolution on the national sports policy laid in both houses of parliament? 1984. Who among the following Indian musician is known for his contribution to the field of Hindustani music for the classification of ragas into 10 thattas? Pandit Vishnu Narayan Bhatkhande. Who among the following personality was awarded the Sangeet Natak Academy Award for her contribution to Manipuri dance? Kalavati Devi. Which payment bank has launched AI face recognition till face match? Airtel Payment Bank. Which country has India started the SCLR project with for river cleaning? Denmark. Selling of bonds by the RBI will cause money supply to decrease. Identify an organelle found both in eukaryotic as well as prokaryotic. तो राइबोसोम 70S पाए जाते हैं, ठीक है। और यहाँ पे आ जाइए, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पावर हाउस कहा जाता है इसको। Who won the 2024 National Car Racing Championship in the saloon category? Diana Pondol. Who has started the country's first digital court to handle cases under the Negotiable Instruments Act? Kerala. Which of the following statements are correct in the context of Indian Constitution? 3 major organs of the government. हाँ, लेजिस्लेचर होता है, एग्जीक्यूटिव होता है, जुडिशरी होता है, पहला ऑप्शन सही है। अ सेपरेशन ऑफ फंक्शंस रेदर देन पावर्स इज फॉलोड, सही है। ऑल ऑर्गन्स ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट आर इंडिपेंडेंट, नहीं, तो पहला और दूसरा ऑप्शन केवल सही होगा। विच बायोस्फीयर ऑफ सदर्न Andhra Pradesh is home to many endemic species including the famous red sander and slender loris? Seschalam. Damodar Mauzo, who received the 57 Jnanpith Award, is primarily a dash writer. Konkani. Who has honored with 26 CEAT Cricket Award? Rohit Sharma. If tax rate decreases with increase in taxable base, then this type of taxation is called regressive. Which country's goalkeeper Manuel Neuer has retired from international football? इसको काट दीजिए, जर्मनी।